Hello and welcome. I have today to show you this Challenger thin compact van, only 210 centimeters across. It says there bestseller. Well, it might be true, I don't know, but 210 centimeters is only 5 centimeters wider than a camper van. So for those of you like me who get a little bit frightened driving in certain situations where you think you're too wide, this could be for you. S27 no, what am I saying? S27, S217 Sport Edition, 659 centimeters in length, and it's 62,000 euros. Okay, this has got the Sport Edition editions, 72,000 euros it's going to cost. What has it got inside? It comes with, well, sort of looks a bit like maybe a camper van. Well, it doesn't have disadvantages. Which is the sloping side of the body. The body goes straight up. This one here has got a very high bed at the back, which you can see here. It's got a German type layout. So we've got this thing here's gone in here, which opens up. It's hinged behind it. Behind there, it's got a hinge on, and that allows this bit here to sort of fit in there, something along those lines. Now, if you've got two hands, of course, you can make it look very neat. My suggestion is that you put separate sheets on each of the 4 mattresses. Underneath here, you'll find you've got storage. I'll be careful in opening it so as not to hit the other thing, but look at the size of that wardrobe. That really is very, very large. Could do with a light, but you can't have everything in life, can you? And in here, we've got another one, which is drawers, shelves, I should say, in there. And there's a step behind if you want to put this thing away and make it into 2 singles. Window on either side. We've got that ledge up there with an elastic thing, and we've got storage at the back. I suppose you could put a television somewhere up here or on the other side, although there's nowhere to connect it. The bed part is divided by this, a curtain, which is much more sensible than a solid door. Down here you'll find we've got the heating. Now, the washroom itself is quite large, as you can see. I've got a very large mirror up there, so you can do yourself up in the morning, and this slides in and out to reveal the shower unit. And then now you've got the size of your shower. 2 drainage points and an anti-slip surface. Sensible sliding door over here. This will be held in place by this thing here. See? And over here we have some more storage. Now, toilet in this format. I've got one of these toilets. I do find them not so easy to clean, but down the back, the inside of the bowl's easy enough to clean. Down the back is difficult. And this is the fridge. There you go. And here we've got 2 burners and a sink. There's the 2 burners, and I imagine the sink is going to be here. Although, I mean, I said that without looking, so who knows, it mightn't be here. Nice spot of decoration, that is extra, and big storage area here, and of course blackout blinds with a mosquito net at the top. Oh, there you go, there's the mosquito net, you saw it. Right, the table can be extended to give you an extra, what, 1/3, something like that. Storage around, and this up here, at least there's a elastic thing to hold that in. Now, see the size of the bed, and we'll see if that has any advantages round the back. There's also, before we see that, kitchen extension, and of course down here we've got more storage. Now, for this vehicle, what I think is this amount of storage in here is absolutely outstanding. We've got, it really is very good. You've got lashing straps down there, and it's a rather basic motorhome, but it does have a lot. And this here has to be one of the sales points, in my opinion. There you can have a look at it from this side. This side, the door on this side isn't so big. Well, can't have everything, I suppose, as I've said now twice. So there you go, a trail on a Ford. Now I know that some people don't like the Ford. I don't think it's as bad as it sometimes is made out with the Ford engines. At least that's talking to engineers. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you found that interesting, and bye for now.